Solar rebates. Americans love rebates. Whether rebates are offered on computers, software, cars, or whatever, we snatch them up. If you're considering going solar, you'll be happy to hear rebates are available. Solar rebates. As most people know, a rebate is a give back by a company in exchange for the purchase of their product. Rebates usually come in the form of money if you send in a coupon, but can also come in the form of upgrades and add-ons. The solar technology industry is so thick with rebate programs it is hard to see the forest for the trees. You can expect to find rebates being issued by the manufacturer of a product, the federal government, your state government, and possibly even your country and town or city. In many locations, the local utility company may also give you a rebate on your bill for going solar. No other source or product line has as many rebates as the solar industry. Why? Because solar represents one of the cleanest and cheapest energy sources in our country. The powers that be want to promote it for monetary and environmental reasons, not to mention providing some relief to our overtaxed national electric grid system. Buy-down rebates are the most voluminous in the solar industry. With a buy-down, a government agency will pay for a percentage of the solar platform you purchase. The specific amount of the buy-down depends on factors such as what the platform is used for and the amount of electricity it produces. Trust me, your local solar vendor will be able to tell you in detail about the rebate since it is a good sales technique. When investigating rebates for your solar purchase, it is important that you don't stop at the first program. If a state has one rebate program, it will often have as many as 8 others. You can often qualify for 3 of 4, which can cut your initial costs by as much as 50%.
For more content like this, please visit learnforfree.biz.
Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo. All rights reserved.
Discover the proven formula for automated sales and success that you can apply to your business in under 30 minutes.
Reserve your seat at allsuper.info/webinar.